MAGDOG TV, how did you get over 1,500,000 views in less than a year? MAGDOG TV, how do you have almost 3K subscribers in less than a year? MAGDOG TV, I want to create a YouTube channel. How do I get started? How can I build my channel? These are What's good, YouTube? MAGDOG TV back with another video. If you're new here, stopping by for the first time, hit the like, subscribe button, comment. I really would appreciate it. Also, click the notification bell. That way, whenever I upload a video, you guys will be aware of this. So go ahead and hit the notification bell. Guys, I have a set of notes. I'm going to give you guys some tips. Hopefully, by the end of this video, you guys will have a good idea of how you can grow your channel or even get started. I'm going to, as I mentioned before, guys, I have over 1 million views. I have almost 3K subscribers. I am pretty much getting paid for my YouTube videos. And I'm going to give you guys the game of showing you guys how you can do the same. First step is to get started. Rule number 1 is to get started. I can't stress this enough. Guys, it's just like life. We say we want to do this. We want to do that. We look up, we turn 5-6 years from now. We say to ourselves, why did I not get started? It's because we procrastinate. In life, we can't procrastinate. We have to get started. I'm going to give you guys inspiration. When I first got started, guys, I started out with a Samsung Note 9, or even worse than that. My views was horrible. My camera was horrible. And it wasn't about the quality. It was about me getting in front of the camera, being confident, learning how to speak. And these things was very, very well needed for my channel to grow. I had to actually get better. I had to improve. So regardless of what camera or what phone you have, I just highly recommend you guys to just get started. Rule number 2 is to be consistent. Rule number 2 is to be consistent. I can't stress this enough as well. When you first start your YouTube channel, guys, you will realize that you're going to get 5 views here, 10 views here, 20 views here. As long as you be consistent, as long as you get better, I'm going to give you guys some ways of how you can get more views and grow your channel faster. But guys, you just got to be consistent, trust the process, and the more consistent you are, trust me guys, the better your videos will be. Rule number 3 is to be serious. Carry yourself. This is your channel. You want to grow. And in order for your channel to grow, you have to be very serious about it. No one going to believe in you like you. That's why I highly recommend you guys to just be serious if this is something you want to do. Represent yourself. I'm a Shiba Inu crypto manager, crypto investor, and I invest in stocks, and I also have clients that I work with. If you guys are interested, my email will be somewhere in the description. But guys, I'm just saying, I represent myself. You know, it's just like my MAGDOG TV merchandise. I have YouTube shirts. My mother is a customer. I have an auntie that's a customer, and I'm growing slowly, but I'm not worrying about anything because, as I said in the second tip, is to be consistent. The more consistent that I am, the better my channel will be. The 4th thing I highly recommend you guys to do when we talk about being serious and gaining professionalism, rule number 4 is to download an editing app. When you create videos, it's very important to have videos that are professional. Edit your video, have an intro, put a little music in the background if you have to. Be creative. All this is important because you have to understand, you have to gain trust from a lot of the audience, and you want your audience to look at you as somebody that's not just holding the camera. As I invested in a gimbal for my videos, I don't have to worry about shaking the phone as I'm recording, but as you invest in yourself, people will feel that energy. So I highly recommend you guys to create or download an editing video app. The 5th tip that I want to give you guys is to pay attention to the YouTube algorithm. This is very important for a YouTuber because the algorithm is going to tell you what kind of topics that you want to actually post. I personally started out, and I still post videos about what I want to post because I believe that when I create videos or when I do anything in life, when I do something that I want to do, I perform at my highest or as my best. But for those that want to grow a channel fast, maybe you don't have any videos, maybe you want to make money from YouTube in a faster way, then I highly recommend you guys to pay attention to the YouTube algorithm. So definitely make sure you guys do that. One bonus tip when it comes to the algorithm, what I do or I've noticed is type in whatever topic, or even just go to the filters in the search bar, hit the upload date, and just look at the views. The views pretty much going to tell you what people are wanting to watch. The reason why I like to use the most recent date is because if I'm making a video and I'm just getting started, or I'm about to make a video, I want to see what kind of competition that my video is in, and I want to see what YouTube is actually exposing when it comes to videos, because as you guys know, the more views, the more traffic you get, the more and better your video or your channel will grow. So definitely make sure you guys take advantage of that. Rule number 6, and it aligns with that, is to create YouTube shorts. I highly recommend you guys to create YouTube shorts. For those that don't know, you can now actually get paid by creating YouTube shorts. I have over 1 million views of YouTube shorts. Lolo Wood and my Odell Beckham YouTube short has over 1 million views. But guys, I can tell you guys that I've noticed that with YouTube shorts, it doesn't count towards your watch time hours or anything like this, but it brings in traffic. The more people are on your channel, if you have, or if you do the steps that I'm giving you, when they look at your videos and they say, I like this YouTube short, so let me see who this YouTuber is. And they go to your YouTube videos and they see that you edit it very good. You have a good thumbnail. That's another bonus tip that I want to give you guys, is create a good thumbnail for someone to click on your video. It's so much that I can actually give you guys, but I'm gonna give you guys the game. But definitely make sure you guys create YouTube shorts, because the more traffic you gain, the more people will actually take notice of your videos. And I've seen that I've gained over 200 and 300 subscribers in less than a week sometimes, just because I'm creating YouTube shorts. The next step is to do YouTube collaborations. My most recent collaboration was with Fleming.
Well, let me ask you this though. I know this is your show, but I want to ask you, that same person, after you showing the receipts, did they at least come to you and be like, brother, I was wrong?
No, they're quiet. They got quiet. They got quiet, which I expect. I mean, I expect it to be
I didn't get much traffic or much profit from this, but it created some kind of entertainment. And I know that you guys love or enjoy YouTube collaborations, because it gives you guys something new than just seeing the same person in front of the camera. So I actually did do a YouTube collaboration with Fleming. As I said before, it was something just to give you guys something different to see. This is another thing that I have, my reasons of doing travel vlogs is because I want to be entertaining. I also have children that are on my channel, so I have to be very mindful of this. So I have to create videos that's going to be entertaining and not just me talking all day. I want to give them something positive, inspiration. Right now we're in a generation where, it's important to show these kids and children positive aspects of life. So I have to be very mindful of how I create my videos. I have a lot of people that support me, man, professional wise. So that's why I tell you guys all the time, my video is going to be more professional. And it's important to show you guys these things when I actually get started. If you want to know about travel vlogs and you want to see like the culture, you want to see some Spanish speaking, you want to see Airbnbs. Of course, we'll show a little nightlife, but again, I have to be very mindful of how I do these things because of my viewers. But definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see me win. Next step is to advertise your channel. As you guys know, as I said before, I have advertisement when it comes to my business and my YouTube merchandise. You have to advertise your channel, post it on your social media, regardless of how many views or how many likes a person does. This just showing yourself that this is important to you. No one's going to support you like you. I'm my #1 fan. Whether I do good, I'm my number one fan. When I do good, I support me. When I do bad, I support me. You know what I'm saying? And when I feel like I can be better, I can be better. I have over 1 million views, but I still feel like it's not good enough.